Alright, so here's the down and dirty on how I made this little birdhouse. First thing I did was I found a limb that was about the right size to accept a 1.5 inch spade bit, and then I turned it, as you'll see right here. Once I got done doing that, I just I did not go all the way to the end. I left there's about that much of that wood that's there, and to act as a bottom, that way I didn't have to make a separate piece for the bottom. And just drilled out this end, and then next thing I did was make this kind of a triangular shaped piece of wood from a 4x4. Alright, so here's my finished birdhouse project. I took this piece of a limb, and after I drilled it out, I just made sure the end was flush. And then this is just the top of a, I took a 4x4 and put it on the lathe and just lathed out a triangular shape for the lid. It's I couldn't think of anything that was too barky or tree looking, so I just did that. It's rough, and I think it'll age and look just fine. Then we drilled a hole out here on the side. I'm really amazed at how shallow or thin this wall is. Drilling that out with a 1.5 inch spade bit. I'm surprised I didn't break through, catch, and tear up the wood, but it actually stayed in one piece, so I'm kind of surprised. This is my first time doing this type of project. And then when I was done, of course, I just put a eye hook in here at the top, and just put some waterproof wood glue on there. Stuck this on there. It's still drying, so you can still kind of see it. It hasn't dried clear yet, but that should hold up outside just fine. I couldn't think of any other way to really attach it other than to glue it on, because the walls and stuff are all too thin to have used any sort of nails or screws. Plus I would have had to somehow have gone through this into the wood, and it just wasn't very practical. So hopefully the glue will hold up outside just fine. Like I said, it is waterproof. So that's my birdhouse project. First one ever.